Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, in today's vlog I thought of cleaning and lubing the chain. Well, it was mainly because while riding this bike I was getting some squealing noise from the front. I thought it had to do with something with the brakes, but then I had spoken to some owners from the Aprilia forums and they told me that this noise could actually be the noise from the chain due to not cleaning and lubing it. So I thought today I'll just clean and lube the chain, and I thought I'll do this as a DIY video so that it will be useful for you guys as well. So I'll tell you what all things you need for this DIY. You need to use kerosene to remove this greasy stuff. It's actually from the chain lube. Anyways, we'll get rid of that today. So these are all the things you will need for this DIY. So first you will need a G-roller stand like this. So I got this for $65 from Amazon. I have the same G-roller in India as well. It goes under the rear tire. Then you need a set of brushes like this to clean the chain. So you just need one of these brushes. I'll just use this red brush, and this whole as a set cost me $14. Then you'll need gear oil. I bought Penrite's ATW90 gear oil, and the specification is API GL5 GL6. And you also need some kerosene. So this kerosene is needed to spray on the chain so that you can clean it initially. So after cleaning it and then wiping it down, and the final step, you'll need to use this gear oil. You'll also need a clean piece of cloth. You'll also need an old toothbrush like this. So this is necessary for you to lubricate the chain with the gear oil. I also have Motul chain lube, but I don't prefer it. I feel the gear oil is much better. I've been using it on my RR310 and it's been working really fine, and that's why I'm not going to use Motul's spray lube. I'll just use the good old gear oil. So let's start the DIY. So the next step is to spin the rear wheel, spin the chains and spray the chains with the kerosene and wipe it clean with a brush.
Our relationships will often end in disgust, and I know you are my love, but there's nothing to discuss. I don't need you in my life no more. I don't need you in my life no more. I got no money, it's getting sunny, but I still feel cold. I've been nose running, you funny, you going it out. What? Not the time just to go around. What a word, you think it's safe and sound. What? Might as well just burn it down. It's always winter time inside my mind. I find it hard to bury, 'cause it gets cold and blurry. Yeah, it gets cold and blurry. She took my heart and then discarded all the evidence. All of her actions were a clear case of malevolence. I got no money, it's getting sunny, but I still feel cold. I've been nose running, funny.
So the next step is to take a piece of cloth and clean the chain over here like so. So I finished cleaning the chain with a cloth, and this is how the chain should look like. It should be dry and it should be very clean. It's really very clean now. And I also took the liberty to clean the silencer. As you can see, it's pretty clean now. I just used kerosene and then wiped it off, and that grease went off. So kerosene is actually very good to clean the silencer. So now what we'll do is we'll apply this gear oil using the toothbrush on the chain like so. So after riding the bike for a while, I can clearly tell that the noise is completely gone. So I thought the noise was coming from the brake rotors or the wheel bearings, but that is not the case. The noise was only because I did not clean and lube the chain. Now the noise is completely gone. So if you guys face a similar issue where you get some kind of squealing noise from the front wheels, it's nothing but your chain. Just make sure that you clean and lube your chain and this issue will go completely. Anyways, I hope you guys found this vlog informative and useful. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Dan signing out. Bye bye.